Jai Swaminarayan. Myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. So we have started our last chapter, right? For PT3. So once again, I will tell you the. I think already I have told you or not. If not, please stick in your book chapters for PT3. Okay. So chapter 6 metric measures and temperature, then chapter 7 geometry, and chapter 8 area and volume. Okay. So start to study these three chapters. Okay. So have you completed your work PT3 subject enrichment activity? Complete it as soon as possible. Okay. So that every subject teacher is started to give the work na subject enrichment activity. So day by day you have to complete fastly. Fine. So let's start to our subject. So the chapter area and volume. So what up to today what we study? Perimeter. Then we study about the area with the help of square grid or graph paper by counting the squares, right? Then we study two formulas to calculate the area. First, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and second, area of square is equal to side into side. Okay, so we have completed 8.2 up to B. So let's start seeing. Find the area of these figures using the method of determining the area of rectangles and squares. Okay, so you have to determine the figure is rectangular or square. Fine. So let's see the first figure. Also, you have to split the figure into small rectangles so that you can calculate the areas. Okay, so see, I have split up into this first rectangle and this one is second rectangle. Okay, so area of first rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what is the length of this big rectangle? 5 centimeter, right? And what is breadth? 2 centimeter. So 5 into 2. So 5 to the 10. It is 10 centimeter square. Always area is in square. Okay. Next, this smaller one. Okay, so its length is 2 and breadth is 1. So see, area of rectangle second is equal to L into B, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeter square. Get it? One more thing, I forgot here to add. So please add it. Total area is equal to 10 plus 2, that is 12 centimeter square. Okay, so please add it here. Next. So see this figure just like steps. So I have split this figure, or we can say divide this figure into 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Okay. So see first figure. It has length 1 and breadth is also 1. So area of rectangle first is equal to L into B, that is 2 into 1. So 1 1 the 1 centimeter square. Okay. Now next, this one. Okay, this is the second rectangle. In this rectangle, length is 2 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 1 we get 2 centimeter square. Now see third rectangle. So it has, see first of all we calculate length. From this point to up to this 1. This is up to 2 and this plus 1, that is 3. So total length is 3 meter and breadth is 1 meter. Understand? Then area of rectangle third is equal to 3 into 1, that is 3 centimeter square. Get it? Then area of 4 rectangle. So see this length. This is start from this one up to last. So opposite sides are equal. So it is 4 centimeter. So it is also 4 centimeter and this side is 1 centimeter. Why? Because this total is 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and remains this one is 4, that is 1 centimeter. Okay, so its area is equal to 4 into 1, that is 4 centimeter square. Right now? Now total area of figure is equal to area of first rectangle, area of second rectangle, area of third rectangle and area of fourth rectangle. I have not written because it becomes so lengthy. So I just write here first plus second plus third plus fourth. Okay. So we will write here areas 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. You can directly write here 10. Otherwise add step by step. That is 10 centimeter square. Get it? So third, see this is simple one example. So it is split up into two, this smaller one and this is. Okay. So area of rectangle first is equal to 1 into 1, that is 1 centimeter square. Area of second rectangle is equal to 5 into 1, that is 5 centimeter square. So total area is equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6 centimeter square. Get it? Now let's start the question D. Find area of the area and the perimeter of the carpet and kitchen garden. So step by step we will solve. Okay. First of all we think about this carpet. So you have to again split up into two forms. Right? This is first rectangle and this is second rectangle. So first of all we calculate area and after that we calculate the perimeter because we know both formulas. Right now? So area of carpet is equal to, it is the total figure. Area of carpet means area of total figure. So area of total figure means area of first rectangle plus area of second rectangle. Right? So area of first rectangle is equal to 10 multiplied by 5. So 10 is its length and 5 is its breadth. So 10 multiplied by 5 we get 50 meter square. Right? Next. Area of second rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So see, this is the length, that is 3 centimeter square and this is the breadth, that is 2 centimeter. It is not square, I am sorry, this is meter, not square. So area will be 2 into 3 is equal to 2 3 is 6 meter square. Now total area is equal to 50 plus 6, that is 56 meter square. Get it? Next, now we have to calculate the perimeter. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So perimeter of carpet is equal to perimeter of first rectangle plus perimeter of second rectangle. So perimeter of first rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by in bracket L plus B. So it is 10 plus 5, that is 15. 15 into 2, 30 meter. Clear? Now next. Perimeter of second rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket L plus B, that is 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3, that is 2 plus 3 5. 2 5s are 10, 10 meter. Get it? So perimeter of carpet is equal to perimeter of first plus perimeter of second figure. So 30 plus 10 we get 40 meter. Get it? So let's take the second example. See this figure. Once again we will split up into three three rectangles. Okay. So first, second and third. So area of kitchen garden is equal to, first of all we calculate area and then we calculate the perimeter. Okay. So area of the kitchen is equal to area of first plus area of second plus area of third garden. So area of first rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So see the figure of first rectangle. See, this is the length and this is the breadth. Okay. So area of first rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 5 into 2.